All right, you guys, what's up? This is John Gorham with Education Solutions, and I want to kind of help you guys out with some end of the year activities here. This is one that I've used for a few years now, and I actually just set this one up in particular today. So it's called Jeopardy Labs, and I'll put a link in the description down below to this video so you can use this and you can even make your own template and change the questions and the answers to make it your own if you want to. Okay, so it's just like the real TV game show Jeopardy, except you can do this online with your students here. And I'm going to try this one out with my students on Zoom. So I set up a movies and TV trivia game, and the default is 3 teams here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up 2 teams. You can choose as many as you like. I tend to set it up in 2 teams here, and I'll start this one up. So as we set up our teams here, this is a movie and TV trivia. It's actually mainly Disney, but a lot of my students know Disney movies here. So sing along Star Wars and Marvel, Pixar movies, Kimetsu no Yaiba, Demon Slayer, that's a big one right now, and then just regular old movies. So 100 is easy, 200, 300, 400, 500 is difficult. So what I do with my students here, what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to split them up into 2. So I'll set up a breakout room, 2 breakout rooms, and that'll split them up. And then I'll call off the names of the first breakout room, and I'll tell them to do the emoji, the clap, the hand clap. As I call them off, I want them to understand which team they're on. So I'll have the claps, and I'll have the thumbs. Those are the 2 emojis that I can use for Zoom. So that's how I'll get my 2 teams. Now, with the 2 teams, I'll always have my breakout rooms established, so I can glance over and I can choose the first person from team 1 and the first person from team 2, or you can choose the last person from team 2 and the first person from team 1, and work your way up to the the middle here. So everyone from the claps can write in the chat room the answer, and they can also open up their microphone, and they can also chat with their teammates here. But I'll choose one person as the final answer to say the final answer here. So anyways, here we've got let's go, for example, if they choose Pixar for 100, that's an easy one. Let's say I start off with the claps. Okay, so you click on this, and what animated feature film was Pixar's first release in 1995? If you didn't know that one, it's Toy Story. So the way that you get this, let me move my picture out of the way here. So to continue on, and let's say they get the answer wrong, you would go back and they don't get any points. If they get it right, we know that it's Pixar. We know it's Toy Story. So you would reveal the correct response by clicking on the spacebar, and that will give us Toy Story. So if we get that correct, that was worth 100 points. And let's say that team 1, those are the claps, we would give them a plus right there. Okay, let's say you meant to give that to the other team. You can give it to them as well. Okay, and when you escape, you'll come back here. You'll see that that's blacked out. You can't choose that any longer. So let's see here. If we go with Kimetsu no Yaiba, this one's really popular in Japan, overseas as well. So if you come up here, this character killed Tanjiro's family. Gosh, I wish I knew this one. My kids are going to kill me. I should know this one. Okay, let's say that they get it right. Okay, that was Muzan Kibutsuji. All right, that's for team 1. So they're going to get 100 points here, and it'll just go back and forth here. And so again, I just split them up into 2 different teams. Let's say that it's for 500 points. Just for example, we've got the or 400. I'll choose 400. This young Jedi Knight becomes Darth Vader in Star Wars. Okay, that was Anakin Skywalker. Who is Anakin Skywalker? And let's say that was team 2. If you give them a plus, that will go to 500 points right there. It'll add on 400 points for them. So you can go back and forth. You can make it a daily double if you want to kind of balance things out. Lots of different ways that you can use this here. So please do use this. I will put this link. I'll copy this link and put it into the description of this video. So please do use it, edit it, make it your own. have fun with it, and also let me know if you find any mistakes. Go ahead, let me know. I'll go ahead and change it up as well. Or if you find something that you think should be added to this game, also please let me know in the comments down below. Please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe as well. Thank you very much, you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.